My husband and I are extremely satisfied with our Ego snowblower with the Steel Auger. You can see it came well packaged and it came with everything that you needed for installation, and it includes two batteries. I like how the handle folds up and down for easy storage, which is really helpful for our crowded garage. Here you can see how to install the chute onto the snowblower. You use the Allen wrench that is included in the package and you remove the screws, put the chute on there, and reapply the screws. Here you can see the different directions that you can move the chute, and you can also angle it up and down. The green lever controls the speed of the auger, and to turn the unit on, you press the button and hold the handle at the top. Here you can see the battery compartment. You push the button at the top to release the batteries. There's an indicator where you can see how much battery power you have left, and there's also buttons for the headlights, which is really nice if it's dark. Here you can see how to plug in the battery charging unit and apply the batteries to be charged. And here we are the next morning. It actually snowed, so here's my husband putting the batteries into our snowblower, preparing to use it. I am really impressed with how this snowblower was able to handle the 5+ inches of dense, wet, and heavy snow in my driveway. My husband was able to knock out our 3-car garage, driveway, and walkways in about 15 minutes, and even I was able to maneuver this with ease. So if you are looking for a powerful snowblower in a small package, I 100% recommend.